Hi guys, welcome to a video again on VRA. What we're seeing today for the price of this one, well, it is quite flat. We're up by 0.35%. It's barely a move at all, and you'll see the trend for that on the past day. Again, looking quite flat. We're seeing a drop initially, coming back up from that, hitting highs up here at the 0.61 range, and you'll see it from there. We're coming down again, but obviously right now, coming up from where we started, we're quite flat. Now the past 7 days for this one as well isn't looking too bad. Yes, it is red, but clearly not by too much. And coming out to the past month, you will see we are starting to find that bottom, as I did say in our last video. Now that is the question for this one ultimately, in my opinion. Are we going to start to find that bottom, and are we going to start to find that bounce? That is a question that we really want answering in the next couple of days. And you will see we have had a few spikes up, as I mentioned. This one up here taking us as high. If we have a look on the trading view, it took us quite high. It took us all the way up to a price point very, very recently. If we have a look, well above the 90-cent range. So can it have a jump? Yes, it absolutely can. And I think this has proved it. But again, we're looking for that bigger, more stable growth to hopefully send us back on our path, because you will see, yes, we've been down initially, then we had a massive spike up, take us to 80s, again coming back down now, and then starting to level out. And the question that I did, ask in the video, are we going to see more consolidation into tomorrow? Well, yeah, that has been the case. So are things looking good? Yeah, they're looking quite good in my opinion. They're looking really good. But again, as I said, it's like trying to get that bounce now going forwards. So is the bottom here now with this one? It is going to be very hard to say, but one thing that we do know is when we look out to the 1 hour chart, for instance, you will see the bottom that we have over here. Now this appears to be a price of about 56, and again that hasn't really changed too much since our last video. Now on the 1 day chart, you will see how things have been moving. Ultimate low down here at 53 as mentioned before, but recently, and this does continue to be the case into today, we're holding up stably between that 54 at the absolute bottom, really though up to 56, and at the very high end up to 57, 58. Now today's candle, as I said, it hit lows in the mid 57s, so quite reasonable, actually where we want to be, and we are seeing that trend continue. Now, in contrast to the past couple of days, today's candle is relatively small, but you will see the wick to the downside is not present. We haven't really dropped too much throughout the day, which is a really good thing to see. And again, going forwards into tomorrow, does that mean we are going to start to see that little bit of recovery? Hopefully it does. And when I'm speaking about a recovery, guys, I'm not looking to see 100% growth in a day, for instance. I just want to see it slowly but surely start to move up. Pushing up now past our level, which is going to be at 61, almost 62, because you will see very recently we've had a few candlesticks that have managed to get above that point, but we have found this to be a key level of resistance. So you'll see up here, these candlesticks here have had difficulty getting past the 61, 62 range, and the same can be said for these back here, all stuck below that point. So clearly it has been a little bit of a resistance at the past, and we want to go past that right now, push up to 60, push past 62, hopefully up to 65, and see our growth resume. Now we have had some breakouts from this trend before, for example the past 2 or 3 days has taken us very high, as I mentioned, but really it's not meaning too much. As you will see, we haven't really had the opportunity to bounce above that level and remain there. That's what we want to see in the next couple of days. We want to see this one hopefully bounce above that range, remain there, consolidate above the level of about 62, 63, and again, that would be a perfect level to put us in. But honestly, I think the charts are still lining up. They're still looking very good, starting to level out, as I mentioned. So now we're just looking for that next push. I think it could be coming in the next couple of days. But as I mentioned, I would not be looking for anything absolutely massive. But as always, guys, this is only my personal opinion, and I am not a financial advisor. So please make sure that you do your own research and come to your own conclusions, as this is only a compilation of my personal thoughts. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.